Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Roche, Huelva, Andalusia in Spain. Here we as humans wrestle with what is nature. Nature doesn't give a hoot. It just does what it does. Nature is nature. We humans, we have nature when we think about it, and we are nature when we don't think about it. Okay, let's see what's happening. This is one of nature's thermometers, Jacaranda. When the temperature rises over 38 Celsius, 100 Fahrenheit, then this happens. So, if I want to know whether the temperature was over 38 Celsius, I just watch the Jacaranda. I'm looking for trees to plant in this area because the temperature is regularly way over 38, 43, 44 degrees Celsius. So what can I plant? A grapevine, species Italia, seedless grape. It lost all its leaves and now it started a regrowth. I don't know what is the sense of this because it has no time to make any fruit, to have seeds. So it doesn't even indulge in apomoxis, the asexual vegetative reproduction. I don't know, but it doesn't ask that question itself. I ask the question. It carries on with life and I struggle. A pumpkin grew very well. Look at all the long runners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not a single pumpkin, not a single reproductive unit, not a seed. I don't get it. As long as the pumpkin gets it, who am I to question it? The Cape Gooseberry, lots of pods, but not a single fruit. Last year we had many hands full of this. This year, not one. So, how do you reproduce? I don't know. It is not concerned. I am. The tangerine died off and now some regrowth, but from the rootstock, not from the scion. So I will have to graft it. It's not that I know how to do it, but one can learn. Another tangerine doing the same thing, shoots from the rootstock, not from the scion. This one I get. Tomato made seeds before it died. Well done, according my mental mindset. Sweet corn. We were supposed to harvest it when it was soft and mushy. Now we will keep it for seed. Well done. Moringa making its flowers. It produces about 25 centimeter long pods with lots of seeds in it. The sunflowers, most of them didn't even get to a seed. There's nothing in there. Nothing. This one will have seed. Very sparingly positioned, not too many. Same with this one. I wonder if any seed will come from this. The pregnant prickly pear. I don't know what will happen to that fruit. Lots of seeds in here. This decorative shrub, it has its seeds. It's a berry. The birds used to eat it when it was soft and moist. At least it made sure that it can reproduce. The canes, storing a lot of carbohydrates and moisture in its roots. A very late apple. It will make some seeds. Till next time, goodbye.